Can we cut a PVC pipe using just a multi-tool? Welcome to Tooltech Geek. This is a 3/4 inch PVC pipe and I want to see if the saw of multi-tools can cut it, or how easy or hard it is. That's a Victorinox. It's a high-end multi-tool. This is a shawl. It's a high quality but budget multi-tool. And in the other end of the extreme, this is an Atisen, a very cheap one. It's large in size but very inexpensive. Let's see how they perform if we try to cut a PVC pipe. Here's a Victorinox. Got this one used from eBay. The new ones cost hundreds of dollars. Here the videos speed up 4 times. Well, yes, it cut the PVC very easily. You will need some deburring afterwards, but it's enough for a small cut. Here's the shawl. It has a saw with very long teeth. Now we speed up the video 4 times. So yeah, it cuts. See the cut quality. Also needs a little deeper, but it's pretty good. Let's try the Atisen, the very cheap one. The saw has smaller teeth. Is it gonna work or not? Let's see. Speeding up, this video sped up also 4 times. Really struggling, but it's cutting, but it's much slower than the other two. Definitely has smaller teeth, but it cuts. So here's a pipe. Cut of us a little bit more rough, needs some deburring. So all the saws cut. Thank you for watching.